racing. Racing gas is started. We have Grace Park Boy break weak later start. Moving up on the outside, Ian's Melody. Then comes El Indio. Showmaster comes next. Then followed over by Pretty Bull. Miss Fangao Fabiola. While the flyer raised the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Ian's Melody. El Indio moving up now on the outside to take the lead. 2.5 lengths further back in third comes Grace Park Boy. Showmaster comes next, then followed over by Pretty Bula. Miss Pangaw comes next, Fabiola. While entry number 4, the flyer, now racing in less back to the leader. We have El Indio by over a length. Grace Park Boy on the outside. Then on the inside comes Ian's Melody. Miss Pangaw, Showmaster, Pretty Bull, Fabiola comes next, and the flyer. We have El Indio moving up now on the outside is Grace Park Boy. We have the complexion of the race now has been changed with Grace Park Boy now takes command by our length and a half. El Indio drops back in second. Miss Pangaw as they swing for home. We have Grace Park Boy this time by about 6 lengths, and in second El Indio. Not on the inside now is Pretty Bull, and on the outside Showmaster. Last 50 meters it's all Grace Park Boy. Second, Showmaster. Then comes El Indio, Miss Pangaw, Pretty Bull.
Miss Pangaw and Pretty Bull. 26731.